Hi, good day guys. This is Sean from Inigo's Toy Channel. So today has been a very exciting day because of these two Tomicas that I found at the mall. So these two cars here have been very well rated by the toy car collectors because of its fantastic details. That's why they call this one the Honda Hype R. So without any further ado, we'll start now with the unboxing. So let's start first with a red Honda Civic Type R. This is the Tomica number 58 model. So I already opened the plastic seal while I was going home. I was too excited about this one. So here's the car. The red color really shines on this car. The wheel also has a red lip, so it's a chrome red lip. At the back, so it has a Honda logo. There's also a Honda Civic here. This one. The rear headlights are painted silver, red and black. The exhaust is black, it's not painted, it's part of the plastic base. So here it's made in Vietnam. The base has some details. So some suspension and exhaust details. The spoiler on this one, so just like the older Honda Civic Type R, it's plastic. I think, yeah, it's plastic. But the paint on the spoiler is much better compared to the older Civic Type R. The side chin has a carbon fiber finish. Also the lip has a carbon fiber finish here. Excellent details at the front. The headlight is clear plastic. It has a red Honda emblem at the front, as is with all Honda Type Rs. The window is not clear. It's like a tinted, semi-tinted finish. Outlines on this car is excellent. Has suspensions like all other Tomicas. So overall, excellent car. And let's go to the white Civic Type R right now. So this is the white Honda Civic Type R. So let's open the box. Sorry for that one. So here it is. So the wheel on this one also has a red lip. It's like a red chrome finish on the lip of the wheel. Same with a red Civic Type R. So it has a red Honda emblem at the back and a Type R logo at the right with a Civic logo on the left. The front lip also has a carbon fiber finish with a red outline here at the bottom. The side skirt also has a a carbon fiber finish with a red paint at the bottom, same at the back. So this one has a red Honda emblem at the back, while the red one has a white Honda emblem. Excellent outlines on the car. Fantastic quality here. So it's built like a premium Tomica car. I can now understand why this one is much raved about. So here are some more clips on the car.